Hi fams, here welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the built-in voice typing feature on Windows 11. The first thing is to have a microphone plugged into your Windows PC, and you want to be sure that the microphone is recognized by your Windows PC. So once that has been done, you can launch your editor, or you can click anywhere on your Windows where you want to type in. So once you're ready to type, just press on the start menu plus the H button. You should see this pop-up box and you should see this button right there. So immediately that comes up, you can begin to speak to your microphone and it goes ahead to type everything that you say in your editor. You can use this feature almost anywhere on your Windows 11 PC. So that's how to use the built-in voice typing feature on Windows 11. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.